Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
大爱三乡有个延续100年的客家传统习俗，叫做打中午、大中午。相传清道光年间，为祈求赶走瘟疫，每年正月14、15日举办神明绕境祈福，每家在中午自动挑担奉饭，提供食物，供绕境人员及乡亲食福，象征时空空好年冬，也是宝山乡3大村7大庄最盛大的民俗活动。现为新城、深井、宝斗村轮流负责，让村民交流感情，展现客家人好客精神。
Hey, what's up, everyone? It's time to talk about Hakka here on Icrt. I'm Joseph Lin.
And I'm Nancy Sun.
Here's something that we talked about this month during our Hakka segment, and it's a festival that's happening over at Baoshan Township in Hsinchu County, and it's called 打中午 or 大中午,
大中午
which literally means hit noon. Or hit the noontime.
That sounds like a Mexican standoff, where like cowboys get ready to duke it out and they meet at noon. It sounds dangerous.
That's exactly what I thought of when I first heard that term, because those standoffs always take place around noon and they gotta, shoot at each other. But this is something that originated during the Qing dynasty. There was a plague going on, and in order to ward off the plague, they decided to carry these deities around to offer their blessings. And it actually worked, and so they continued the tradition. But, it's kind of heavy to carry these statues around.
It's a lot of work.
And so people would offer food to the people carrying the deities.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Well, it seems like food and spirituality always go together.
Oh, yeah.
Because in Mexico, there's something called La Rejunta, and it's basically this huge communal feast that they prepare for the whole year. And they get over 20,000 people coming to the village and eating. And then these people go on a pilgrimage into the mountains to this cave where they believe this holy miracle happened.
Yes.
At this festival, they consume over 60,000 tamales, which is like a local dish, as you know.
Oh, I love that.
And then they consume over 15,000 liters of hot chocolate.
That's just an excuse to have some good Mexican food, I think.
Yes, sir.
Well, this 打中午 or 大中午 that I just talked about not only happens in Baoshan Township, but 3 towns in total and 7 villages, so it's pretty huge in its own size as well.
Wow.
And now we need to have Leo teach us some of the pronunciations of the things we talked about, like 打中午 this event. 打中午怎么说？
大中午，
大中午 ，OK， 这其实就是这个活动的名称嘛，对不对？
对。
那如果大家聚餐在一起怎么说呢？
就得讲大丢西，
大丢西。
错
That means a meal gathering. Now you know that does it for today's talk about Hakka. 俺是谁张来了？
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.